Plenty of bracken fern here. This is Kumbungi. Or cattail. No heads on it at present, but when it has those fluffy heads on the top, they can be used for tinder. Dead standing sapling here, a little bit damp on the outside, but it looks like it's good wood. I'll pull it down and check it out. It's actually not bad inside. It broke fairly easily. The wood itself is a little bit pithy in places. In other places it's hard, which is good. Pithy wood is no good for making a fire, for lighting a fire. Again, very small sapling here, dry to the touch, breaks easily. But to my mind, this is breaking too easily. It hasn't got that good. That's a bit better. You hear that harder snap and a little bit harder to break, so the wood is harder further down. Here we go again. A bit harder to break again. Better wood. Much harder. The hard wood you need. The soft, pithy wood, or rotten wood, is no good for making fires. Alright, if you want to make a lot of smoke, but no good for making fires. It's a natural water hole. Water looks fairly clear. This is fed from a header stream further up Butterfly Valley. Good water to drink, but there's a lot of game in the area, so I would advise boiling the water for a good 10 minutes before you either drink it or put it into your water canteen. Unigara, or grass tree. This is the type that grows very close to the ground. The true grass tree name came from those that grow much higher and on an actual trunk. Black boy is another name, which also came from the taller of the grass trees. The stem here can be used for fire bow, fire lighting, hand drill, fire lighting. It's also a good source of tinder. If you break the inside, the pithy inside of the flower stem, will make good tinder. The stem itself is also a reasonable kindling too. Now I can stick my thumbnail into this. It's soft and pithy on the inside. The outside is quite hard. But trim it away, and inside you have the pithy centre, which can be used for tinder. These stalks can grow very, very large, very tall. And have, I believe, in the past been used for parts of spears. They're very light. I would think that you'd have to insert a hardwood tip